So this is the smartpm landing page. We are navigating directly in a browser and directly in Power BI, as you can see. To the left-hand side, we have the navigation bar, and to the right-hand side, you can select the language. In our demo standards, we implemented the German and the English language, but there are no limits. You can also adapt to other languages. In the squares, you see the solution we worked on. So for example, there is the sales operations. This is about balancing the supply and the demand of your company and the capacity management. You also want to have this what if analysis because we think planning scenarios is the best way of planning. So you have certain assumptions. If I go left, I will have the opportunity to maybe enter a new market or rather selling the division B. How will it impact my company on the long term and in the midterm? In procurement performance management, you want to optimize your costs and your savings. And for the saving solution, we developed the saving tracker. So this is a way how you can track the performance of the procurement division. But you can also decide to track the costs and the prices of your company, whether it's indirect or direct material. And the AI can also help you to do forecasts for your prices, whether it's indirect or direct material, and you can calculate the cost of production of the future with this tool. We'll later have another look at this. In project performance management, we collected a lot of experience as we worked on best practice tools with our clients. So you can do everything that project management needs in this tool, beginning with an calculation of your costs and calculation of your earnings, if you have earnings with a project or not. You can calculate cross margins. And of course, you can also add and change order request or risk mapping to your project. And this comes along with a Gantt diagram, of course. If you're planning to enter new markets or to go to new markets, you would likely investigate the market potential and to do top-down planning and bottom-up planning. In most cases, there will be a gap between these two approaches, and you want to bridge the gaps via initiatives. This is very similar also to project management. And last but not least, you have also the possibility to add SWOT or as a SWOT analysis and a balanced scorecard. This is up to our customers how they want to plan their next market entry. The product performance management is a little bit similar to the go-to-market planning. But in this module, we also got the competitor analysis. You will have the overview about your product in the product lifecycle. You can also do SWOT analysis and a what-if analysis about your product. In HR, you will not just plan your costs of the human resources, but also you can manage the skills of your staff. marketing performance management is about analyzing the sales pipeline, also analyzing the campaigns you're running right now and your customer satisfaction. And this comes along with an event calendar. Finally, you want to bring all the data to one tool, and you want to collect all the data, and you want to see how the performance of your company will do for the next period, how it did for the last period. And this you can do with the integrated financial planning. So you got here a workflow, revenue forecasts, OPEX, CAPEX, of course, HR expenditure. You can also plan your loans and your provision if you have certain investments, and everything comes together in the P&L, in the balance scorecard, and in the cash flows, which you can also analyze with deviations between best case or worst case scenarios. And last but not least, with our CPM tools, you are also capable of do consolidations.